Good day, everyone. I am Trisha M. Gumarangan of Cyber Coordinates, and today I'll be discussing and presenting to you the results of our survey on the use of ICT in the teaching and learning for teachers. So, let me start with this. So, we've conducted our survey and had our survey participants, which is 20 random high school teachers, and 12 of them is from Bukidnon National High School. One is Bukidnon State Secondary School Laboratory, Bukidnon State University. 3 is from Kasisang National High School. From Kalasungay National High School, we have 1, and we have 3 from Kitaw-Taw National High School. And the first question that was in the survey is the usage of technology in their teaching. And 100% of teachers chose or has picked yes. And so we have 100% here of yes. Next is the awareness of policies that guide the teachers in the use of ICT. We have here 90% who chose yes, and 10% of them chose no. And number 3 is the usage of non-digital learning resources in their teaching. And we have here 100% who chose yes in their usage of non-digital learning resources. Next, number 4 is the development of digital resources in their learners. We have 17 teachers who chose yes for this, which is 85%, and the other 15% chose no. Number 5 is the usage of technology tools for teaching. So again, we have here 19 teachers who chose yes, 95% of them, and the other 5% is in the no choice. Next is the expertise in the usage of technology tools for teaching. So this part here is it's a bit equal, but a lot of them chose no, that is 55%, and the other 45% chose yes. Number 7 is the availability of facilities in using technology tools in their classes. We have here 16 teachers who chose yes, and the other 4, that is 20%, who chose no. And the awareness, next is we have the awareness of the ethical and legal responsibilities in the use of ICT tools. We have here 80%, that is 16 teachers who chose yes, and the other 20%, which is 4 teachers, chose no. And the next is we have the students learning better with the use of technology tools. So 95% of them agreed with this, and the other 5% disagreed. Number 10 is we have here the question, do you enjoy using ICT tools in your teaching? And probably yes, 100% of teachers enjoy using ICT tools in their teaching. And here are the conclusion. Yes, ranking of items. So from the first, the numbers 1, 3, and 10, we have the 100% who chose yes. So they use technology in their teaching, they use non-digital learning resources in their teaching, and they enjoy using ICT tools in their teaching. The items number 5 and 9 is only 95%. That includes the usage of technology tools for teaching, and the students will learn better with the use of technology tools. And next is we have the 90%. That is in the item number 2, which is the awareness of policies that guide the teachers, that guide them in the use of ICT. So next is we have here 85%. So it's on item number 4, the development of digital resources for their learners. So 85% of teachers agreed with this. Next is we have the items number 7 and 8, which is the availability of facilities to use the technology tools in their classes. And next is the awareness of the ethical and legal responsibilities in the use of ICT tools. So that is 80% who agreed with this question. And lastly, we have the least percentage of teachers who agreed with is the expertise in the use of technology tools for teaching. And we have here the ranking of items based on choosing the no category. So we have here 55%. The expertise in the use of technology tools for teaching, that is 55% who disagreed with it. And 20% disagreed in the availability of facilities to use the technology tools in their class and the awareness of the ethical and legal responsibilities in the use of ICT tools. The 15% of teachers disagreed with the development digital resources for their learners, so they're not into it. And the awareness of policies that guide teachers in the use of ICT, we have here 10% who disagreed with it, so they're not into it, and 5% who chose no in the items number 5 and 9, that is the usage of technology tools for teaching, and the students learning better with the use of technology tools. And we have here 0% who chose no, is the usage of technology in their teaching means everyone, 20 teachers use technology in their teaching, and the usage of non-digital learning resources in your teaching, and enjoying using ICT tools in your teaching. So all of the 20 teachers is using non-digital learning resources in their teaching and enjoying using ICT tools in their teaching. So that is all. Thank you.